Hello, hello. Today is September 10th, 2024. This is workgroup sidecar meeting. It's just two of us today. Okay. I wanted to just I spoke about GA as a feature with a few people, and I got some pushback. And I mean, I had this feeling myself as a approver, like I have a like approver side of my brain and contributor of sidecar feature part of my brain, and they kind of arguing with it with each other, and it was hard. So I seeked some feedback, and clearly we have some. I mean, we have a few issues specifically about init container gets stuck when CRI returns an error. So that affected Istio, and it was reasonably um, like reasonably bad. So like I understand that we want to have to solve the fix a little bit. Furthermore, the fix for it was that we would have a different behavior for pods without sidecars and for pods with sidecars. So I think what we can do is in 132 remove this difference. Say like we want to make everything go to the same path. This way, when we will remove the feature gate, we wouldn't get suddenly like into very new behavior. So I really don't want to get into the situation when our code base got diverged so much. And like if you have a sidecar, you have whole new different set of functionalities that now you need to support forever. So I really want to merge it together. So this one, and second big issue was that you cannot update, like you can update image of a container, but it wouldn't be restarted. So for regular containers, if you updated an image, it will get restarted and pick up this new image. For sidecars, I thought we'd been testing it, but apparently we didn't. If you updated the image, it will allow you to update it and it will tell you that it's updated, but then the kubelet will never apply the new image for sidecar. And big problem. So we still have PR open for that. And even if you'll fix in 132, there still needs to be soak time. Like we don't want to GA and fix bugs in the same release when bugs are like change of functionality is that big. It just means that nobody using this functionality, and we want people to start using it. Yeah, unfortunately, it means that. And then I also listed quite a few GitHub issues. Most of them are small, that will clarify things, and we will need to adjust some. So people are really concerned about status reporting from sidecars. Today, when pod is terminated and sidecar is terminated, sometimes it may be reported as failed. Sometimes it may be reported as not failed, and we need to like. I think in most cases it will be correct behavior, but in some cases it may not be correct, and we need to make sure that we are testing it well. So yeah, I think the focus should be for this release is to just clean up those issues and refactor code so we can include we can have a single code path for both. And once it's soaked in 132, we can get some 133 as a final GA kind of milestone.
Okay. Yeah, sounds reasonable.
What else? Yeah, it was interesting conversation about like, I mean, we clearly not testing well scenarios when CRI failing. So Istio issue happening because Istio container reconfigure something in containerd and then restart containerd. I mean, sometimes like on and the restart of containerd may cause kubelet call to fail. So kubelet will call into create sandbox and it will fail because containerd is being restarted. And that causes strange behaviors that we uncovered, I guess. That was never an issue before like kubelet will recover from this restart. And with the change, we forgot about this. And now it's so right now testing of it only done via unit tests. I wonder if you need to start looking into adding some fake CRI shim between like containerd and kubet and start testing some failure scenarios. It will be very cool. My only complaint about this approach is that it will be highly serial. So like you probably wouldn't want to start to run multiple tests with this shim, because if you inject some errors, these errors, like you really need to recognize which port you injected for, and like don't mess up with other tests.
Yeah, but you can still run them in parallel, because if you are shimming the CRI, you can run almost run them like component tests. No, it's not like a full system test, end to end, whatever. No.
Yeah, I mean, so your error injection will rely on a name of a container passed to the CRI call. It's doable, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's a good excuse to look into the CRI, because I will have to mess up there to get some information.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, I was thinking that it may be done, and like I actually very excited about it. I really like to introduce new types of tests, and then we can cover all sorts of test cases which weren't covered before. So one example is we discussed in this parallel image pool cap, and we struggle to write a reliable test for parallel image pool because image pool is so unreliably timed. So sometimes it's super fast, sometimes it's like slow. So you can't really write a test for that. So my only suggestion is like we need to proxy the CRI calls, and instead of actual image pools, we need to do timeouts there.
Yeah.
I guess it's I mean, it's another example where this shim will be really, really helpful.
So we got rid of Docker shim, and now we will write CRI shim.
Yeah. I mean, it's a mock. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. It's more a mock, because I don't think we even need a real CRI. It depends on the test. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess.
Anyway, yeah, that's the current status, and I think this release I will concentrate on bug fixes for sidecars.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did some cherry picks of sidecar bugs, and I'm really happy about it. So people on Istio side will be unblocked, and hopefully they can come back and start using sidecars. Anyway, okay, that's all on my side. Anything you want to share?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Good.
Have a
Thank you.
great
Have a
night.
good day.
Bye.
Yes, thanks. Bye.